Hey guys, this is John from A Global, and today we're doing a unboxing, and this is the Emotionlite. They're the LED nightlight bulbs. This is a 6-pack. They're C7 bulbs, and they're 0.6 watts. Produce 50 lumens at 2700 color temperature. So due to the small consumption that they use, being LEDs, I have them tied in basically to a wall plug, and I don't use any photocell or anything like that. They're just wired directly. Yeah, so one of the main reasons why I'm doing a review on these bulbs is they're actually hard to find, because you want them to be a soft LED light, not too bright to where you can keep them on all night long, and it's like a mood lighting in the background inside the house, and also it's a nice decorative type of look that it produces in the windows. So during the daylight hours, you can see that they do produce enough light to where you can actually see them outside when the sun is out, just slightly. And during the dusk hours, you can see the ambiance that it creates. It gives that soft type of look that can be used year-round, or just during the holiday seasons. So based on a 3-hour usage each day, it says it here on the package that it's going to be 23 years, but I'm sure that over time they're going to dim slightly, which appears to be typical with LEDs. So for my application, leaving them on all the time, I'd give it a 5 stars. So if you like what you see, please click the like button and subscribe. Also, down below, click on the affiliate link to where you can purchase these for yourself. Thanks for watching.